everybody. I hope you guys are all well. We have this lovely patient here that has a very, very long nail. And to you, what do you think is going on? Why don't you comment and let me know in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is onycholysis. This is lifting of the nail plate from the nail bed. And one of the reasons, potentially, it could be from damage. It could be that there is damage of the nail bed, which is underneath this nail plate. It could be just that you're lacking vitamins, like you have thyroid issues, lacking certain vitamins, and that can also cause lifting of the nail plate. But sometimes if you have undergone kind of certain therapies like radiotherapy or chemotherapy, a lot of times the medicine and the therapy itself can actually affect hair and nails. And this is what has happened. It's caused a lot of damage of the nail bed. And what we're going to do is we are going to cut it back and clean it, shape it really, really nice, and then we'll wait and see what will happen and see how it will grow out. So it comes off very, very easily because you would think, oh, that's hard to take off, but it's actually really, really easy. And there is a lot of debris underneath here, just like that, like that. Oh, well done. Excellent. So it's understandable that if you have a gap in the nail bed, between the nail plate and the nail bed, you get debris, fungus, bacteria trapped underneath. And I'll probably cut a little bit more back on there. Just lift it. And we can see that there's a raise in the nail bed, and it's going to be very difficult for that nail to reattach. You can see, trying to get rid of that nail polish. And then just a little bit there. Voila, so now we've got actually two very even looking toenails. Amazing. Let's see if I can remove that a little bit more, if possible. Just going to drill it a little bit more. Amazing. Okay, I'm happy with that. Perfect. Wonderful. Ta-da!